Dr. Inch here, welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, so we've looked at diffusion, so we know that that's the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. Today, we're going to look at osmosis. Now, osmosis is a special type of diffusion, and that's the movement of water particles from an area of high concentration of water to an area of low concentration of water. Very simple experiment. All we really need, we've got some marshmallows, I've got some Haribos, and I've got some vegetables as well. So what we're going to do, let's start off with the marshmallows because I think these are going to be the best. I'm not going to weigh them, I'm not going to measure them, but if you want a more accurate experiment, it'd be worth doing that. Okay, so all we're going to do, we're going to put them into the bowl and we're going to add some water. Being marshmallows, they are going to float. So all we're going to do, I'm going to leave that for several hours, do a time lapse, and we'll come back to that in 3, 4, 5 hours time. Okay, there's our time up. Right, so they've been sitting in there. I was really expecting them to get massive. I thought a lot more would go in. Okay, so let's get them out. Oh, I wish I'd weighed them because they feel so much heavier. So the beauty of science is we don't always get the results we were expecting. And that is the joy of trying things out. Okay, so they have taken on a lot of water. A lot of water under the process of osmosis has gone into those marshmallows. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so let's get rid of this water now. Just pour that away. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do a cola bottle. We're going to do a gummy bear, we're going to do a ring, and we are going to do a heart. Same again, this time they should stick to the bottom. So let's get those covered in water. So if you come across, you can see that those are covered in water. I'm going to do another time lapse and let's see if we get a better result this time. Okay, so that's that time lapse done. I thought it was going to work a little bit better, but you can see that those have got a lot bigger. So let's get those out. Right, so there we go. They are actually quite a bit bigger. What you can do, like I said, if you weigh them before you put them into the water and weigh them after you've taken them out of the water, you should see quite a difference. Okay, if you don't have sweets or you don't have marshmallows or something like that, the other thing you can use are something like a potato or a sweet potato or a carrot. When you come to do that experiment, what you need to do is cut it very accurately, measure it and take a note of the measurements. How long is it? How wide is it? How deep is it? Okay, you can weigh it as well. Put it in the water, leave it for several hours, then take it out and do all those measurements again. Okay, that will show you that the water has gone from an area of high concentration of water, so in the water surrounding whatever we've put in, to an area of low concentration of water, so that will be taken into the sweet or into the potato. Okay, I hope you have fun doing that, and join me next time when we will do another experiment.